Father's Day 2025. When is Father's Day in 2025? Are frequent questions asked this time of the year by our accounting, finance, and accounts payable audience. So, since at AP Now we strive to provide our audience with the information they need, be it about accounts payable, payments, accounting, fraud protection, or job search, or even when is Father's Day in 2025, we try and provide that information. Father's Day is celebrated on different dates in different countries. In the US, Canada, and the UK, it is always the third Sunday in June. In 2025, that makes it June 15th. A recent Gallup poll revealed that over 50% of all employees will at least look at new job opportunities this year, with many going on interviews. But did you know that many recruiters make up their minds about you based on things that don't really matter? It is truly infuriating, but that's the way it is. Want to know how to make these critical individuals like you instantly? Click on the link that has appeared on your YouTube screen and is in the description. It will be the most important 8 minutes you'll spend in a long time. Good luck. Happy Father's Day, Dad.